All through here.
Thick one. Fish and chips on the dock at Seaport Village in San Diego. Absolutely glorious day.
After spending a good part of the day at the USS Midway, we decided to go to the Seaport Village and check out all the shops. Over the years, the place has deteriorated a little bit. It's recently now been taken over by Marriot, and they're going to upscale it and return the galleries which were missing, and some of the trinket shops will be changed. So what do you think?
I think it looks good on you.
Think so?
Put it on. Now maybe it'll keep the sun from eating your brain.
Let me see.
Yeah, maybe not.
That looks good.
Go out in the park?
Rushing the season a little?
Huh?
They're rushing the season a little?
No. Now, if we'd already been to Mumbai, that would have been a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Very different. It's the most unique one I've seen. Ready?
How are you?
Huh?
Socks.
I
This
know.
place sucks.
And I don't even wear socks. And yet I'm in here looking. Orange elephant. You can do Apple Pay. It'll tell your fortune for $1.
Arrgh, the pirate be waiting for you, me matey. Don't be leaving without hearing me treasured wisdom.
I've been such a good boy today. Did everything I was supposed to do, so I get a treat. What's my treat?
He's going for broke. He's going to do a blizzard.
A blizzard! Dairy Queen, here we come. So guess what?
You're not going to post this.
Here we go.
Tell them what you have.
I got a peanut butter puppy dog blizzard.
Chocolate chunks. And I gave in to, I have to, no, a Heath Crunch. And that's good enough for me.
Hey, we deserve it. We had a hard day. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Look for us in the next video.